She was a fast eater. She liked to eat fast. She ate like a wolf. I am like a wolf, she said. He was a slow eater. He liked to eat slow. He ate like a turtle. You are like a turtle, she said. She didn't talk at the dinner table. All she did was eat. He liked to talk at the dinner table. He talked about the news. He talked about the weather. He talked about sports. She listened to him talk. She nodded her head. That meant yes. She shook her head. That meant no. He talked. She listened. She never said yes. She never said no. She never said anything. All she did was eat.